So guys, it's almost 7 o'clock, and I promised you guys that I would give you a tour of the river. So I'm a bit tired, but that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so enjoy. Yes? Guys, this is Face, as you know. My chihuahua is about, like, call it 10 years old in human years. I'm not sure how much is that in dog years. Mhm. And Face a lead regarding the river. So I'm not the one showing you guys the river, it's Face showing you guys the river. Alright? Come, come. Come. Run. Run. Yeah, so guys, I'm on my way to the river. As I promised you guys, I'm gonna show you the river. You know, Face a lead me. And man, know, him too active for him old self, cause Face a like 10 years old, as me telling you. And him still I run up and down. You know? Come, run. If I follow Face stop and piss everywhere, or stop and urinate all places, to put it like decent. Yeah, so mine right now, my sinus are raised. Come Face. Alright, so here the river, guys. I'm almost at the river. You're not gonna see the river today. Yeah, man. Guys, I usually had to walk the same journey when I was younger. I usually had to walk the same journey with like the bucket with water. Yeah, man. And in like going to school in the mornings, I would have to come to the river to have a bath. And when I come home from school in the evening, I have to catch water, a river, and me have to go a river go bathe. So country life never normally really. Country life nice, you know, but it's not. It's not. I would say it's not easy. It's not really accessible like when you live in the city where you have water and all of them things at your house. People here have water in them house and all of that. But yeah, most people have forgot the river. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut for a commercial and then I'm gonna see the river. Alright? Go on. So guys, we're almost at the river. And this is not a spring, you know, this is a river. Go on face, cause I hear the pig them. You know the pig them don't like your face. Pig pen over there. So the pig them don't really like face. That's the river. And I have to be go on face. I have to be careful because them are people here, them bed naked. When them are bathe the river, them bathe naked, and I just had to look before me actually show out because I don't want to come video nobody in them birthday suit. So I'm going a bit closer so that you guys can get a better perspective of the river, better view. Face. What you do? Face. Face. Look here. Talk to the camera. No, I'm not gonna show that on camera, peeps. Look like face one guy at the bathroom. So I'm gonna view the river, make him do anything. Because he won't do that if he's on camera. I don't really know why the dog is so smart. I call him face because he's got so many expressions for so many different things. If him sad, you know. If him happy, you know. If him a tricky, you know. If him a play general, you know. So I call him face. So this is the river, basically. Yeah, whole heap of jungle and fishing that is it. So guys, I'm gonna cut again for another short break, and I'll get right back with you when I'm making the journey back out of here. Alright? I may have a surprise for you, so just wait for it, okay? Yes. Yeah, so tell them so because well guys, the other day I said my channel is not a channel that uses a camera, and I wouldn't be purchasing a camera because I only use my cell phone. Well, people, I'm gonna buy a camera because I'm deciding to do a lot more vlogs. So I'm gonna need my camera because the cell phone, it films very good, yeah. But then I guess I would get more work done with the camera because as you notice, we're getting very good footage from this cell phone. Alright, and it has also HD capability where it can film in HD. So it's actually, I think I'm getting like GoPro quality pics. Easy man. But back to face. Yeah peeps, as I said in the live stream just now, I was not able to make this video live. I was not able to do the tour of the river live because yeah, so guys, I just had to leave the river and come back home. My phone's storage space was running out because I was filming in HD. So I think I will finish that river tour another time, and thank you for watching. It was a pleasure being able to do that for you. So until then, I am Alex. Bless.